Really, I'm not feeling well though, because I'm really sunburned, like really sunburned. And I'm stupid, yes, I know I didn't put a lot of sunscreen, I just put on my tattoos and just a bit all over, but not too much. And I stayed so much time just because I'm happy that I'm in the beach. And I stayed so many hours just playing with the waves and everything, but I'm not feeling well at all.
Two teams of 3 creative people each will start in Berlin and travel in opposite directions. One team goes east, the other one goes west. They want to make it to the other side of the world, Japan, only by traveling from one friend to another. It is a bit better, but Chad and I, the first week, we clashed a lot. And sometimes I didn't even know why, but it was just like him here and me here, and it's... Today, Chad told me, do you have the cocky? And I was like, what is he saying, cocky? Because cocky is a fruit in German. But I was like, he's probably not talking German to me. And I got a little annoyed because I didn't know what he wants to say. And he got annoyed because he was, do you have the cocky? And then I understood he wants to say the car key.
I think it's like a cultural / communication thing, but we haven't butted heads or anything. We haven't, there's none of that tension.
He's a smart, funny, amazing person, but he thinks like this, I think like this, and it's not the same.
So we are in Sevilla. And Sevilla is so beautiful. A festival, like everybody is dressed like you're back in time. It's beautiful here, it's beautiful. It's like mesmerizing, everything, the detail.
Yeah, if you want to show us where you'll be sending us next.
I'll be sending it off. It'll be in that general direction.
Okay.
So we can head on out.
All right.
Pretty far away.
Yeah.
We made it somehow. So there you go.
Here we go.
Sign is right beyond this way. Oh, we should ring her.
Hi.
All right.
My name is Sonia Breder. I finish architecture. I'm 25, turning 26 in November.
So just from talking with them, the idea kind of developed that it would make more sense for Georgie to pass this to Sonia and Sonia to pass this on. So we got an extra host out of it. We didn't even know so that was going to happen. So yeah, it makes the connections a little bit stronger. So it seemed like the most logical thing to do.
I'm sending you to my friend Angela, and she's at Prague at this moment.
Guys, we are getting on our first double-decker bus. I'm so excited. Heading to Prague, 17 hours.
It was so long.
So that was pretty long. We stopped off in Budapest at like 4 in the morning, I think. So not much happened that day, but it was just long travel day. Yeah, I was really hoping to not spend more than a month in Europe, but it's already over that, and we're still here, and 100 days are ticking down, and I really want to get over there. So
today we were supposed to meet up with Angela, our next host in Prague. She has an exam tomorrow. Certainly I forget it, so we are not supposed to disturb her.
Our hosts, they're students in college and couldn't meet up. So we are just gonna explore the city today, have some fun, and hopefully be seeing them later this evening. I forget what this guy's name is. Maybe I think it's Charles. I think this is King Charles. And so when you touch the 5 stars and touch Charles, you get a wish granted, but it doesn't come true until a year and a month from today.
What is your wish?
I don't think I can tell you. That wouldn't be fair.
I'm your favorite travel buddy.
You'll find out in a year and a month.
Challenging thing is to ask people to make time for us. So we have to wait a lot and we have to reschedule and we do this and this. But that's so challenging, and that's part of the deal, and it's fun and it's cool. And when we finally meet up, we are extra happy when we meet them. So. And Angela studies architecture, so it's going to be very interesting to get to know her and to see what she's up to.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm Angela Ratkovic. I am 26 years old. I am a student of architecture. I'm currently in Prague studying my master degree. You can see we have 2 mattresses here. So when there was New Year's Eve, my friends were coming, like we were 10 of us here. No, a little bit less than 10, I think 7. So we put all the mattresses on the floor and everybody slept in this room for
so
like
nice.
5 days. Berry jam and like outside is
Thank you.
with vanilla something. You can try it. I wish I didn't expect anything from a friend, but I usually do expect a lot of things. Like I expect people to say when I make a mistake or when I do something. I just, wish that, like Sonia, for example, Sonia is really good at saying stuff, what's on her mind. So that is why she's a good friend of mine. Like, yeah.
I would tell her to be maybe just a little selfish sometimes.
I had a really good click with IG actually. We talked a lot and we had a lot of fun. So that was really cool to finally have a good click.
I can imagine for you guys, you're traveling and all 3 of you are from different places.
Well, I must say, how it goes here, it looks kind of similar with the Netherlands.
Yeah.
It's a little bit different, but doesn't change that much.
Yeah, I mean, once you stay here a bit and you get to know the people, you figure out the differences are really big.
It was a very cool day. How are my co-travelers? We are 3 different people, like terrifically different people. And the way we think, the way we look at a problem, everything it's really different. And it makes us a true composite team.
So Joey is learning some Dutch. So I can have no secret conversations anymore with my home.
Groot. Groot.
Is it?
Groot.
Groot. And finally, after 12 days, we could do a laundry. Walking in our room, be like, what the hell happened? Exploding clothes everywhere. We need to clean up before the next person in this hostel arrives.
I'm sending you to Elka. She's from Finland and currently she's in Prague, also studying masters here.
What's most frustrating? The hosts. Not the people to host, but getting a host that will send us east.
We are in Portugal.
Hello, how are you? Panos, nice to meet you.
My name is Thomas. I'm French, I'm 32 years old, and we are in Portugal, in Faro, in my house actually, my parents' house. I work for the French Cultural Service abroad.
Flowers are amazing. There's even a pool here. It's closed. Wow, but it's still cool. And it's been pretty exciting. We spent like the last 3 days going around the cities with him, just chilling, chatting, getting to know him. You can see definitely why he's friends with Guillaume from our last host in Lyon, which was pretty cool. They're both so intricate, very diverse, very out the box. So it's been pretty awesome to get to know them.
If this was the last chance to tell him something, what would you say to him?
You owe me 10 euros. No, I'm joking.
Of course not.
I would say go to hell. He'll understand.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Like this one is it's like nature. Make art, nature.
It's all beautiful, like we all have fun and we all try to find the best way to travel, and yeah, it's funny.
We discovered that Panos has a special talent.
I like it. It's like I would never change this experience. I would not change them either. Like they are the best people in this team and we get on well.
I'm painting nails.
Okay. Yvonne?
It's so bad! Can Panos bring a hand?
Don't paint my skin too.
Don't move.
Yeah, but you just painted my skin.
Move, that's why.
Okay, this is bad.
What is challenging when the two guys are hungry? When Chad is hungry, he stops talking. Done. He's like another person. When Panos is hungry, he gets even slower.
Not being harsh on Panos' side, but he is slow. And the funny thing is, I was calling him a sloth the other day, and he got like irritated with me. And I was like, dude, you are a sloth. Go look it up. So he looked up the animal he is.
I'm taking a quiz now for how sloth am I. The last question was, which activity sounds the most appealing to you? There was like climbing a mountain, an intense hike, watching a documentary on hiking, but like there is a taking a nap, so I chose that. But that doesn't mean I'm a sloth.
So sloths cannot do that.
But see, I mean, both were on, you know.
I'm totally a sloth.
They are all here and there is nothing here.
Even the internet says that. Okay, I'm starting to believe I'm slow. But it's a good thing, I'm a chill person.
Okay, I'm too slow, but what to do? But they love me, I love them, it's okay, everything works.
Panos is the kind of guy that's helped me like calm down, you know, take it slowly, which I've enjoyed. So having him around is a blessing actually. I think my mom would actually like probably appreciate him by like me saying this and saying I need someone in my life to just be like calm the down, you know. Like the last 3-ish days we've got to just chill in Faro and just relax, which has been quite cool, which we needed. And we haven't overloaded with each other, like doing this and doing that and wanting to do this. We've basically done 1 or 2 things throughout the day and pretty much chilled, which has been really nice.
And this is what I like Portugal, you know, it's so calm all the time, you know, it's like super peaceful.
Friends you're gonna visit is in Mamadou. He's based actually in Salvador de Bahia in Brazil.
I'm really looking forward to going to Brazil.
Connection is happening, like this friendship is just literally happening, like we are connecting the dots and now it's going to the other continent.
Yeah, have a good journey.
Yeah.
And see you again here or I don't know.
We are in Salvador right now on a beautiful beach. We're soaking up the sun and having a bit of fun. Dad is teaching me how to do skating, but I cannot really do it properly, I think. Panos stopped skating when he realized he was super burnt. That man, oh my word, you are burnt. Yeah, no? This is what's going to happen afterwards. Yeah, he's going to be in pain, so we'll keep you tuned. Look at my back. I'm next to the air condition. Literally, I was so happy that I was in a tropical weather and I go for the first day to go to the beach. And I just stayed there for like 5 hours. That's what happens. We are sunburned.
Ooh, I am sunburned in Brazil. Nobody helps me, I'm gonna cry. I want the sunburn to get away. Get away, sunburn, get away.